This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious watermelon sorbet with ease. This refreshing treat requires just a few simple ingredients and no ice cream maker. You'll need about 6 cups of frozen watermelon, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 1/3 cup of your preferred liquid sweetener, and a small pinch of kosher salt. It's a perfect, healthy dessert for any warm day. The first crucial step is preparing your watermelon. Start by cutting a 3-pound seedless watermelon into 1-inch cubes. Then, arrange these cubes in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This prevents them from sticking together. Place the tray in your freezer for at least 3 to 4 hours, or even overnight, until the watermelon is completely frozen solid. This ensures the perfect sorbet texture. Once your watermelon is frozen, it's time to blend. Transfer the 6 cups of frozen watermelon, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1/3 cup of liquid sweetener, and the pinch of salt into a high-speed blender or food processor. Blend on high, pausing to scrape down the sides every minute or so. Continue blending for about 4 to 6 minutes until the mixture is wonderfully smooth and creamy. If it's too thick, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water to help it along. Your delicious watermelon sorbet is now ready. You can enjoy it immediately for a delightful soft-serve consistency. If you prefer a firmer texture, transfer the sorbet to an airtight container or loaf pan, press parchment paper directly onto the surface, and freeze for another 2 to 3 hours. This helps prevent ice crystals. Any remaining sorbet can be stored in the freezer for up to 2 weeks for a refreshing treat anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.